Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how to block ads in iPhone. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is open settings, then scroll down and open general. Here then open software update and check that you have latest iOS version or not. Then go back and scroll down. Here open Safari, scroll down here and turn on this block pop-ups ad. After that, scroll down till bottom, tap on advanced and turn on that privacy preserving ad measurement. Now go back and scroll up. Here tap on screen time and then click on control and privacy restrictions. Turn this option on. After that, scroll down and tap on Apple advertising and change this from allow to don't allow. Now the only thing you have to do is restart your device, and after that your ad issue will be solved. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.